Projects management requires careful planning to ensure all stakeholders agree on roles and deadlines, focusing on team collaboration and communication. Effective leadership is critical in setting achievable goals, inspiring teams, and maintaining proper workflow through effective resource allocation. Regular feedback sessions with team members help identify potential roadblocks and boost team motivation, enhancing team dynamics and efficiency. Technology advancements provide essential tools that assist project managers in tracking progress and optimizing project deliverables efficiently. Adapting to change proactively is essential for overcoming unanticipated project challenges, effectively managing risks, and ensuring project success. Clear communication reduces misunderstandings among team members, fostering a transparent environment that aligns with overall project objectives. Budget management ensures financial resources are allocated efficiently, avoiding overspending and ensuring project completion on time. By leveraging these strategies, projects managers can drive projects to successful completion and meet organizational objectives effectively.